it's very good to have you with us on ERi-TV for English news broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. First, the top stories. National workshop on organic fertilizers concluded. Human Resource Development Priority Task stated Workers' Confederation. Global warming mid Horn of Africa drought, study shows. China to deepen and expand military ties with Pakistan. The National Workshop on Organic Fertilizers, that was the first of its kind, ended today. The two-day workshop was attended by over 130 experts from inside the country and abroad. At the workshop that was conducted on 26 and 27 April, 18 research papers supported by video shows were presented, focusing on the contribution of compost fertilizers in boosting agricultural activity, technical experience in producing compost fertilizers, expanding compost fertilizers production in Eritrea, the introduction of compost fertilizers in household wastes, the contribution of producing liquid fertilizers with discarded fish and seaweeds in agricultural production, among others. The participants conducted extensive discussion on the research papers presented and forwarded recommendations with a view to develop the research papers. Exemplary agricultural experts and farmers that played a significant role in introducing and promoting organic fertilizers were handed over certificates of recognition by Mr. Arafai Nabarha, Minister of Agriculture, and Mr. Tawald Alati, Minister of Marine Resources. The National Workshop on Organic Fertilizers was graced by the presence of South Africa State Minister of Agriculture and experts from Uganda, Rwanda, and Germany. The National Confederation of Eritrean Workers reported that human resource development is one of the priority tasks of the National Confederation. According to Mr. Kibrab Kidane, Deputy Secretary General of the National Confederation, the objective of the National Confederation is to ensure the right of workers, development overall capacity of workers, boosting productivity, as well as ensuring safety and health of workers at workplace. Mr. Kibrab went on to say that the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers was extension of the National Association of Eritrean Workers that has been established during the armed struggle for independence and that incorporates various public and private institutions. Mr. Kibrab also said that the National Confederation organizes several vocational training programs and seminars with a view to develop the overall capacity of workers, and that effort is being exerted to establish training centers in all the regions of the country. According to a report, the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers is conducting various activities in connection with the International Workers' Day 2023 that is being observed under the theme Clear Vision Concerted Work. The activities that started on 5th April include construction of terraces and preparation of holes for planting tree seedlings, blood donation, seminars related with labor and productivity, workshops, as well as general knowledge and literature competitions. Nationals residing in the Midwest of the United States conducted annual Congress on 22nd April in the city of Grand Rapids. At the Congress, in which 132 members of PFDJ and the National Union of Eritrean Women, as well as the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, organizations from 13 cities took part, activity assessment of 2022, and discussion on the plan of action for 2023 was conducted. At the event, activity report of the PFDJ, the National Union of Eritrean Women, as well as National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students was presented. Mr. Birhane Gebrehiwet, charged affairs at the Eritrean Embassy, also gave seminar focusing on the role of conscious youth in the national building process, and Ms. Hadenet Eleta gave briefing on the charted out programs for 2023. The Congress also elected new executive committee and contributed $105,000. Nurse Nigisti Garazgeher, head of Gazalamza Health Facility, Dubar Wasab Zone, reported that the health station equipped with medical equipments and manpower is playing commendable role in ensuring the health of the public. Nurse Nigisti Garazgeher went on to say that the health facility, alongside its regular activity, is also exerting strong effort in raising the awareness of the public on health issues, and as a result, the prevalence of communicable diseases has significantly been reduced. According to report, Gazalamza Health Station provides health service to the residents of the administrative areas of Gazalamza, Adilogo, Tomajila, and Akhabda, Adibazage, indicating that the health facility provides praiseworthy health treatment to pregnant women and children, and called on the public to strengthen participation for the implementation of the mobile vaccination program that is being carried out twice in a month. Gazalamza Health Facility is located northwest of Duwarawa town. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. World Weather Attribution scientists say rising greenhouse gas emissions made the nearly 3-year drought at least 100 times more likely. The drought that has left some 4.35 million people in the Horn of Africa in dire need of humanitarian aid, with 43,000 in Somalia estimated to have died last year, would not have been possible without climate change. This is according to an analysis released today. Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia have endured 5 failed consecutive rainy seasons since October 2020, with aid group labeling it the worst drought in 40 years. But while the drivers behind the drought are complex, a team of international climate scientists with the World Weather Attribution Group found rising greenhouse gas emission made it at least 100 times more likely. Climate change has made this drought exceptional, said Joyce Kimutai, a climate scientist with the Kenyan Meteorological Department who worked with the World Weather Attribution Group to tease out climate change's role. She and her team found that a 1.2 degrees Celsius cooler world, the combination of low rainfall and evapotranspiration would not have led to drought at all. China says it will work with Pakistan's military to further deepen and expand the two nations' mutual interests and jointly protect regional peace and stability. A statement by the Chinese Defense Ministry yesterday said the Vice Chairman of China's Central Military Commission made the comments during his meeting with the Pakistan's Army Chief, who is on his maiden visit to Beijing. Noting that China and Pakistan are all-weather strategic cooperative partners and close friends, the chairman said that no matter how the international situation changes, China always gives Pakistan priority in its neighborhood diplomacy, said the statement. Another statement released by the Pakistan Army's media wing, the Inter-Service Public Relations, said the Army Chief was given a warm welcome and presented with a guard of honor upon his arrival at the People's Liberation Army headquarters in Beijing yesterday. The Inter-Service Public Relations said the Army Chief will hold further meetings with military officials in China to enhance the long-standing relations between the two militaries during the 4-day visit. And now we have a quick review of the top stories. Don't go away. National workshop on organic fertilizers concluded. Human Resource Development Priority Task stated Workers' Confederation. Global warming made Horn of Africa drought, study shows. China to deepen and expand military ties with Pakistan. It was me, Salim Burhana, with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us. Have a good night.